Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this Origami Motorboat. For this I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be creating a diagonal fold. Now open the model and bring these two sides to the center crease. This is called kite base. Flip the model. Now bring this tip till here and make a crease. Turn the model again. You can see two flaps here. Lift the flap and fold it as shown. Now bring this side to the center crease by lifting the flap like this. Do the same thing for the other side too. Now your model will look like this. Lift one flap and fold it to the sidewards by aligning with this. Do the same thing on the back side. Now bring this tip to match this triangle and then make a new crease. Then you can tuck in the triangle as shown. The same thing on the back side. Open the flaps as demonstrated. Origami Motorboat is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.